So friends, to file ITR 1 from your mobile, you need to visit any browser. Then you have to input the income tax website, which is incometax.gov.in. So your income tax portal will be look like this. Now a face sign is coming in the upper side. You need to click on that. If you have not registered yourself, then you have to register first. We have created a detailed video already. If you have your credential like username and password, then click on the login button. Now you have to input your user ID, which can be either PAN or Aadhaar. After putting PAN or Aadhaar, you need to click on the continue button. After clicking continue button, you need to click on this checkbox and you have to mention your password here. If you don't remember your password, don't worry, click on the forget password and just using your Aadhaar OTP, you can generate your new password as well. And now click on the continue button. So your income tax portal will be look like this. Now in the three dots, you have to click here. What you need to check? You need to check AIS and TIS before moving further. Now we are clicking on the AIS. It will take us to a separate website. Now we have again to click on this AIS. Now your financial year will be 24-25, your name and your PAN. Now you have to click on the TIS, which is taxpayer information summary. Here any transactions you did through your PAN card like saving interest, FD interest, credit card, GST transactions, share market, mutual fund, crypto, any transactions will be shown here. To make sure all the transactions should be corporate or verify in your income tax return. Now again you have to click on these three dots. Now you have to click on the e-file. After clicking on the e-file, you have to click on the income tax return. Now you have to click on the view form 26AS. Any TDS has been deducted will be shown here. So you have to click on that. Now click on the I agree button. Now click on the proceed button. Now you have to click view tax credit form 26AS. Now it will ask you to assessment year. It will be 24-25 and view as you need to select as HTML. So we are selecting 25-26, view as HTML and view download. Now you have to click on this view download button. Now any TDS deducted on your PAN card will be shown here. If you have given form 15G, 15H will shown here. Any TCS collected, any reportable transactions, all the transactions showing in form 26AS, you need to make sure that they must be disclosed in your income tax return. Now again you need to come on income tax portal. Now we are going to file our ITR. Select assessment year 25-26, mode online. Click on the continue button. If you earlier tried to file ITR and want to resume that, then you can click on the resume filing. Otherwise, you can click on the start new filing. Now click on the individual, click on the continue button. ITR form need to select ITR 1. So we have selected ITR 1. Click on the proceed with ITR 1. It is giving a message that your new tax regime is your default tax regime. If you want to take HRA, LTA, ATC, ATD, home loan deductions, then what you have to do, you need to choose old tax regime. Click on the OK button. Click on the let's get started. It will ask you why you are filing your ITR. If your income is more than basic exemption limit, which is 3 lakh, if you did any of these transactions, then select accordingly. If you don't know what to select, then don't worry, just click on the others and click on the continue button. It is again giving you a message that your ITR is already pre-filled. The data which you have shown in TIS, AIS and form 26AS, we have pre-filled everything already. If you want to select, delete, edit, you can do accordingly. Click on the OK button. Now step by step we have to file our income tax return. Firstly, you need to visit on the personal information. Your name, your contact detail will come here. If you are getting any salary or any pension or anything from any employer, then you need to select the nature of employment, that who is giving you the salary, private or government. If it is a private, then you can select here the others. If you are not getting any pension or salary, just select the not applicable. So after that, if you are filing your ITR before due date, which is 139.1, and main or important part, opting out of new tax regime. You know very well, up to 7 lakh rupees there is no tax if you choose the new tax regime for financial year 24-25. If you select on the no, it will take you to new tax regime. If you select yes, then it will take you to the old tax regime. So here we are going to file our ITR in new tax regime. Now click on the bank detail. Each and every bank account should be added here by clicking add another. At least one bank account should be nominated and validated for refund so that your ITR get confirmed very easily. Now click on the confirm button. Your general information part has been confirmed successfully. Now main and important part, gross total income. If you are getting any salary income, then click in this arrow key. If you are having any form 16, that means your salary is automatically showing in AIS TIS. It will come here. If suppose you are getting 20,000 rupees per month, so what you have to do, you can mention manually your salary in this column. And after that, in new tax regime, you know very well that a standard deduction of 75,000 rupees you will get automatically, and after that your taxable salary income will come here. Now you need to click on the save button. So our salary income has been saved. Now if any rental income from any shop or any one house is coming, then click on this arrow key. If your property is let out, then you need to select here the rental income. If you are getting 1 lakh rupees rental income, so you will get 30% standard deduction automatically. 70,000 rupees income will be added to your total income. Click on the save button. Now again, last but not the least, income from other source. Any part-time saving FD interest will come here. Most of the data will come automatically from AIS and TIS. If you want to change, just select this and click on this edit button. Then you can change accordingly. Apart from that, if you are having any other part-time income, just click on the other source. Now you have to click on the add another button. Now nature of income can be any other. Now we have mentioned any other. Freelancing income 6,90,000. You know very well, up to 7 lakh rupees there is no tax need to pay. Now click on the save button. Now every income has been saved successfully. If you are having any exempt income like PPF, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, agriculture income up to 5,000 rupees, you can mention here. Long term capital gain from equity share or equity oriented mutual fund under section 112A up to rupees 1,25,000, you can mention here. And now you have to click on the confirm button. Now total deduction, you know very well, in new tax regime not that much deductions and exemptions available. If you want to take deductions and exemptions, you have to select the new old tax regime. Now click on the confirm button. Now taxes paid. Anyone has deducted your TDS on salary will be shown here. Other than salary will be like FD, etc. will be shown here. Any form 16C given, any TCS collected, any advance tax or self-assessment tax paid will be shown here. Click on the confirm button. Now verify your tax liability. It will calculate your tax first. Then after your tax, you have to mention that your total tax liability is coming how much. Now you know very well that after 3 lakh rupees income, your tax calculation will be done first. Your tax will become 15,885, but rebate under section 87A, the person whose income is up to 7 lakh rupees, they need not to pay tax up to 20,000 rupees. So your overall tax liability is becoming 0. Now click on the confirm button. Now proceed to verification. Again, it is giving you a summary that you are eligible for a refund. Might be in your case, you have to pay some taxes, or might be your tax or refund will be nil. So just again confirm all the detail and now click on the preview and submit your return. Click on this checkbox, the place where sitting you are filing this ITR. Now you have to click on the proceed to validation. Now no error were found. Suppose if there will be any error, it will give list here. Just click on that particular error. It will take you to that error and you have to rectify accordingly. Click on the preview button. Now after checking all the detail, click on the proceed to validation button. Again, if there will be any error, it will be shown here. Otherwise, you can proceed to verification. Now this is giving you 3 options: e-verify now, and it is recommended. You can e-verify it later within 30 days. If you're not able to verify it, then you can print out this acknowledgement and you can send to CPC Bangalore within 30 days. So we are clicking on the e-verify now, clicking on the continue button. Now I would like generate Aadhaar OTP, click continue, I agree and generate Aadhaar OTP. A 6-digit OTP will come. So what you need to do, you need to mention that 6-digit OTP. It will again ask you, are you sure to submit this return? So you need to click on the yes, and congratulations दोस्तों, your ITR has been filed successfully. If you feel any problem, if you need any professional help from us, then you can call, message or WhatsApp us. If you have any doubt, query, question, feel free to ask in comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.